Yeah, just put her on her side, put her back on all four, and let it sit for a little bit. All the fluid settle back in, and then...
Yeah, worst case, we might have to hydro lock, we might have to pull a couple spark plugs out, but Jeep. It probably will be fine.
The guy in the Suzuki's like, peace, I'm out. See you guys.
I've seen enough. I'm done.
Got you enough.
It's the easiest line, actually. Oh, is that where you went? Are you serious?
Yo.
Serious? You took that line?
No. It's in my truck.
You took that line?
Where do we want to pull it? I want to kind of...
Paul's got a phone. He'll take it for you.
You have what, just a soft shackle on there?
No, yeah, this is the Freedom Winch line.
Cool. Give me a little more slack.
Yeah.
Oh, there's plenty of pictures.
That's going to trip it. I'm literally just going to pull off this.
I take no chances here. I'll lock her. Trust me, it'll be posted in a lot of places. You'll have plenty of pictures.
Trust me.
Trust us.
The guy who's done it here, everyone's going to give you shit for it for the rest of your life.
Oh yeah, Jesse was like a little farther to the passenger side.
Snug it up, Bill.
Perfect.
No.
Snug it up, yeah, I know.
Now he's
I
like,
already feel bad enough for fucking up somebody else.
that was worse than me. Perfect. We did it right.
Jesse was just trying to get somebody to go over so we stop doing him.
Yep.
No.
Do you have a heart attack though?
Go ahead, snug it up a
What,
little
you
more.
have reservoirs and that didn't help?
A little more. I want to see what it's going to do.
I think it's going to pull it.
Just saying.
That's going to trip it.
Do this for a living. Pretty much. Yeah, you know, all of a sudden, like,
You thought you were off work.
Nah,
Was that?
That's better.
crap out of me.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you want to snug yours up and we'll get her. Hopefully.
Not your first one.
Nope. I didn't even get thrown from it this time.
You can even hold it. Seatbelt
Yeah.
He loved you. No way he let you get
Those Jeep.
Setting on the shocks, now it's time.
Yeah, I just turn the dial.
Man, tough act to follow.
I've been there.
Work on the underside while it's
I know.
Because I'd be going to
Get on my list.
It's easier now.
You're just snugging it up. You're the safety.
You tell me when.
Yeah, go ahead. Anytime. We're ready to go.
That's a perfect spot to stand, Bill.
What could go wrong?
It's cool, Bill.
I'm just
It's a
evaluating.
great spot.
Did I block the camera?
Your entire body took up the entire screen.
I aim to please.
That top is going to pull away. As he pulls it, it's going to pull it away from your line. So if you just snug it up, it doesn't roll back. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, Bill, go ahead.
Oh, that's the worst part.
Snug yours up a little. Up, keep going. Yeah, snug yours up a little. Snug it up a little. Yep.
Chips fell out.
Go ahead, keep going until it comes over.
How gentle they are.
Just hold it.
Yeah.
We'll make sure. Actually, back off just a sec.
Ah.
A little more. Just in one more touch. Nope, hold it. Keep holding it. Snug it back down to the ground.
I
Alright.
think if Glenn lets go, he
Gotta say, I was gonna put Glenn on this back corner and pull the back corner out.
Well, the Suzuki's got another winch right behind
You
you,
know what?
Jesse.
I have a loaded 9mm in there that might be on the ground somewhere now.
Oh,
Just a heads up.
it is.
Yeah.
See it.
The safety's on, but it is loaded.
Alright, Glenn.
Why did you shoot the
slightly
ground?
dented.
Oh, right.
Wait, you should have shot it while you were going over.
Perfect.
That was a bit.
Suzuki's also right behind you if you want to stabilize it with the wheel.
No, I think the best bet is honestly we'll turn the wheels, put that winch up there, and just pull it up the hill. If he's holding it, it can't roll back over. So
Solid plan. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Hey, Sam.
you have your winch.
Sam, we get to see if your winch works. It works.
Oh, wait,
It works. It works.
But she's been saying, I don't know how
were
many
you
trips.
driving? Oh, all right.
I want to try my winch.
Can you get your controller?
You know what?
Yeah,
Two
it's
more
in the back of
stickers and
your-
they're probably
Matt's
wouldn't
truck.
have
Oh, it's in the back of my truck.
kept the weight on this side.
It's on the passenger side.
She will now. She's probably going to get a lot of stickers after this. We're all going to be sending her shit.
problem, no problem one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she has it on the back.
At 90 degrees.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, she's got the one on the back that says, "Oh, that sounds like a bad idea. What time?"
All right. Can't even tell. Just don't look at the front of it. A little bit rugged ridge. Probably like $8.
The orange slightly mushier than your
Handle brake.
This thing saved the windshield.
Good spot. Good spot, Matt.
Thanks, Paul.
Wait, you guys are friends, right?
Yeah. You're standing here too, so what the heck?
I know.
Yeah, you don't want to be in danger of rolling over.
You know you're going to hear about this for the rest of your life, right?
Yes,
Wait,
I
Jesse
do know
was-
that.
Yeah, she didn't do anything wrong. It's Jesse.
Yeah, I know. Believe me, I already feel bad about it.
We'll help with that.
I feel bad, man. I'm an adult. It's not even my first time.
Oh,
It looks
all right.
like it, though.
I feel less bad then.
What is it? This is number 4, right?
Better than breaking the window.
And what do you want for the soft-sided cooler?
Yeah.
It didn't work.
It didn't work. It didn't work.
Oh man.
I know. I had it and I got sworn. Alright.
No problems at all.
Yeah, when it was dry when we were here in the summer, we
I've been ejected.
just crawled that. It was, you know, it was nothing. But obviously, this whole trail when
She
it's
should have
wet
put
is
it in 4
completely
low.
different.
This wouldn't have happened.
True.
Should have followed Tundra's line.
That's right.
Yeah.
Coward line.
Yeah, this one, if you don't get it that way.
There's obviously a lot of danger there. If you're
Yeah,
not-
yeah.
Why do you think I went to coward line?
Well, the funny thing is, Sunday,
I thought I was the only one
couldn't
who was going to be
climb
playing
this.
because I just sat there doing burning tires until I slid over to the easy line and drove off.
This-
All right.
Wait, this easy line right here?
Kind of, yeah.
Just my spirit.
Yeah, but she needs to be about
Easy
90
line to cause
degrees.
There's no
problems.
easy line, yeah, no.
Yeah.
I tried going up the middle and I was on the wall and I just kept going this way and this way. I'd hit a little and then slide back and I just kept the tires spinning.
Out here to have fun.
All right.
Oh, you were just trying to match the tortoise upside down.
Bill, as he snugs in, I'm trying to slide the back end over so it's not going to roll over. So have him let out as Glenn pulls it in. So go ahead, Glenn. As it starts to slide, we'll have Bill let out. But I don't want you to let out too early.
It's off the tires off.
Oh no! Yeah, I know. I
Don't
want
let that
this tire
off.
to go up. Hold it right there, Bill, until that back tire starts to slide over. Go a little more, Glenn. It'll go. That's what I want to do. I want to lift that wheel until that tire pops up. Keep going. You guys are working against each other to upright it. That's what I wanted.
You know what? I gotta start this up. I'm gonna run out of battery.
Okay. Go ahead.
And you're moving. You're pulling yourself uphill.
It's working. That's what I wanted to do. Yeah, right. I could also double it up.
You want me to stay in there, keep your revs up a little bit?
Oh, okay.
That wheel's about to pop up. It should be. The closer it gets to the tree, the more up it's going to do. And with Bill holding it, it can't go over, so. What?
You say can't?
Well, unless something lets go, I
Yeah,
guess.
you know the rule. Once you
Plan for success, not
once you
failure.
unpack your winch controller, you can't put it away.
That's right. It stays there all day.
Well, because as soon as you put it away,
You need it again. Yeah.
I've demonstrated that.
yep.
Might have to get Glenn into the tree, but keep going. That's what I want. Bill, let out a little bit. Yep. No, you can let right out. I'm just gonna have him drag it back. But it's in park. Like it wants to drive itself.
Somebody gonna stop that from rolling into me?
It's in park,
Oh, it is.
supposedly. But if it pops out of gear, you're screwed.
I look, it's in
Oh well.
Oh, now you think about those.
Go ahead and fly another foot or two. Right off the top. I feel much better about that.
Sorry.
Now we know how to do this next time. So thank
Give me a little slack, Lynn.
I mean, honestly, you can't tell. We all know, but by looking at it, you can't tell other than...
Yeah.
JK doors are a dime a dozen, aren't they?
Yeah.
No,
Well, not green ones,
Those
but...
things anyway.
they're not a dime a dozen.
No?
Nothing for JK is, until the next model after the JL.
Yeah, that's true.
JK.
Because now the TJ stuff is cheap.
Yeah.
The YJ stuff used to be cheap.
Man, that actually really doesn't look bad. No, seriously, I'm not joking.
Let me
Even
do
the
it
Fender
again.
Players are all right.
We'll do the other side so it looks the same.
Hey, Tundra, what do you have to worry about?
Nothing. I'm a coward.
Wait, Tundra, did you take the easy line?
I did.
Oh, all right.
The coward line. Get it
Yeah,
right.
without a doubt. You didn't even try the like sort of hard line.
Nope.
When Sam was up there, I straightened the front fender out.
I saw that. Yeah. Jesse's not gonna sleep for 2 nights.
Oh,
now.
yeah.
I feel so bad.